Unlike the other three options available for bend allowance, the bend table option uses a table to calculate the bend allowance parameters. SOLIDWORKS will accept bend tables as either text files or Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. SOLIDWORKS has provided some sample bend tables located in the installation directory. The default location would be C, Program Files, SOLIDWORKS, then Language, English, Sheet Metal Bend Tables. You'll find several files in this folder. Now, one of the files you'll find is called sample.btl. It's actually a text file where the extension has been changed from .txt to .btl. All I have to do is open it in any text editor such as Notepad, and you can see that I can edit the values as needed. It's important to note that this file and all the other files in this directory are strictly sample files. Before using them on your own parts, you should make a copy of a sample file and then modify the values to suit your needs. Although SOLIDWORKS allows the use of a text file, it's highly recommended that you use Excel spreadsheets for your bend tables. They're much easier to work with, and they're embedded into the SOLIDWORKS part file, so you never have to worry about including an extra file when sending your sheet metal part to someone else. The only reason to use a text file instead of Excel is if you have an old legacy part and bend table that was created in SOLIDWORKS 2000 or an earlier version. Let's take a look at one of the sample Excel files. I'll double-click on one of the files located in this directory. Notice that it opens up and is basically blank. It's up to you to enter your own values. To see a completed table, you can review the spreadsheet called Bend Allowance. It's located in the Bend Allowance directory. Now, this file has values already filled out. You'll also notice that this is for a soft copper or brass material, and in the comment cell down here at the bottom, it states that it was extracted from a machinery handbook. Now that you've seen what a bend table looks like, let's take a look at how to incorporate a bend table into a sheet metal part. I'll go back to my sheet metal part and then click on the sheet metal feature and choose Edit Feature. Now, I can use the pull-down in the Bend Allowance section to specify the Bend Table option. I click the Browse button to browse to a directory containing bend tables, which in this case is the Bend Allowance sample directory. Then, from the second pull-down menu, I choose a table and then click the green check to accept the changes. I'm now using a bend table for my default bend allowance.